Hello and welcome to the Dethleffs showroom in Isny im Allgäu. And here in front of me I've got this Globetrail camper van, and I think I'd have to say that this is one of the best camper vans on a Fiat Ducato base that I know of, and I'll show you one or two of the things. I can't show you everything though you can get with it, and I'll explain that as I move along. So there you go, it's on a Fiat Ducato, as I said, and forward bench, kitchen, bed. Well, okay, so I mean, basics are all there, but it's what it's done with the basics which are interesting. So here at the back we've got this rather large widthwise bed, comes with three mattresses, and step up to onto the top through there, and storage all the way around. And I want to show this because I think this is really good. You might think this is nothing. Oh, all right, nothing there, but look down there. How many videos have you seen from me and I'm complaining about the corner piece? Right, the corner is lost to the world, but here the corner has been saved. The corner is in action. Of course you can't open this one and this one at the same time, but there, okay, so there it's blocked, but the other way you've got storage space all the way down. And okay, so you think that's nothing. Well, I don't. I think all storage is needed. Well, just about, because I'll show you a bit of storage. Anyway, I'll go on to that, which I don't think is needed. There's a windows at both sides. So here you can see, we've got the blackout blind here, and there is there's the mosquito net there. And right, let's have a look under the bed as well, I think. Now this will all come up if you want it to come up, and I can't do it with one hand, but we go up to one side here. You can see it comes up anyway. And I'll have a look on the back at the storage from the back, and same over here. There you've got their storage under the mattress. Right, okay, what about this for a wet room? Absolutely enormous amount of space in here, I think. And there's me in the mirror, and it's got a sensible sliding door which closes like that. So I'm now in here. Hey, I hope I don't get locked. I'll turn the thing so you can see me. I hope I don't get locked in here for the because it's Friday and people have started going home. Oh, that would be funny, wouldn't it, if I got locked in here for 2.5 days. I remember once I had a friend that worked for British Telecom in Holborn in London, and I went to see him, and the security there told us the story about somebody who got locked in one of the lifts over the entire weekend. So there you go, don't take lifts at the weekend. Right, let's put ground again. Having heard that interesting story from my life. Oh, and the shower as well. Lots of space there in the shower. And you've got this curtain that comes all the way around. But another feature with the curtain is it comes with magnets to stop the curtain sticking to your body. So unless you've got a magnetic body, then the curtain shouldn't stick to you. Down here, we've got something as well. You've got a bit of storage. Don't know what that's used for. I bet somebody here knows though, so they can write that down below. Also, like the ledge, the little sink, and you know, it's a camper van, 6 meters long. Well, it's not even 6 meters, 599 centimeters. Okay, it's the same kitchen as every camper van's got, but what every camper van hasn't got is this central locking. Quite good. Also comes with plugs. And if anyone knows where to get these from, and it's not much the plug I want. It's I want because I'm going to find the catalogue. But what you can't find in the catalogue is a little net of that size. Or at least I haven't found one. storage up here as well. And where's the fridge? It's around the side. There's the fridge. And down here we've got, this comes out as well. You've got your access to your fuses. Oh, and also there's that thing there, that's the blue one, black and blue thing. That's the for your water dump. Also use the floor down here for storage as well. This here, it's part of the technical infrastructure. For example, it has the heating ducts are in it. Now it's only 6 meters in length, so can't really complain at the size of the table. I like a big table, but in this case there isn't really the space to it. Now I did mention the subject of storage, and you never have too much storage, or words to that effect. This thing here, personally, I would get rid of it because I'd rather it wasn't here. The reason for this is it's a matter of headroom whilst I'm there. But then again, you know, I'm talking about storage. You can't lose storage. So yeah, I do appreciate all of those things. Got a wonderful large camper van skylight there, and this is the view from the Fiat Ducato, and you can see it's what the radio channel it's currently on, SWR3. It's on news, right? And but that's not the end. I'll show you some more. Okay, heating, water, electrical, insulating water. I want to say, look, there's some water there, but this was outside earlier for it was getting washed. And anyway, so continuing with, we've got this pull-out thing here, and it's got this. I think it's really a useful thing, and that you release via here. That comes out to allow this to come in and out. And here, of course, we've got the gas, as you'd expect. There's the gas cabinet. This one comes with the gas is already in there. And there's a look through amount of storage. Now, this, as I mentioned, this all comes out. These things go up. There's hooks, buckles up here to get so that you can put the mattresses will go up there and give you lots and lots of space at the back. Also that divider, which you can see there with the hole in it, that's a hole to put your foot in as you climb up, that into bed, that comes out as well. So it's got lots of little things in which I think make the van lifing experience more interesting. And another, well, it's a couple of features. It's got an awning, but then again, everything's got an awning, and even my van's got an awning. Here, there's the possibility of making a bed, and the table comes down. It comes with some more mattresses, and that all goes on over the top. The thing is, though, with the bed, the mattresses they do take up quite a lot of space. So I've done a short video on this, a 3-minute video in that a different van, and I show you in that the raw materials to make the bed with. Space up there for the television as well. So I think that this is a particularly interesting vehicle. That's my opinion. Here, whilst I'm here, I'll just show you around the showroom, because the showroom here is just about empty. We've got these cross camps here from Hymer, Hymer cross camp on Opel. Oh, and this one's on a Toyota. And yeah, I'll just stick the camera in, have a quick perusal at it, because I think this is a complete misunderstanding as far as vans go. And right, well, it's got a bed that sort of lies down, and got a bit of camping stuff there. But you know, for the price of one of these, you could have a nice Fiat Ducato from Dethleffs. I mean, this thing here is going to be even more money because it's got the tent in the roof, and There you go. It's got seating, belted positions for 4, and this one you haven't even got the washing stuff in. This one here comes with doors on either side. One of these things, I think these things here will actually, these units will come out. You've got access to them from both sides. There's your water, and what's on this side? I'll have a perusal to this as well. Oh, there's the gas goes in there, and you've got the seats as well. Hey, we'll have another. We've got 4 of them in here, and this is a rental model, I see. So this one's been out. It's got the Swiss motorway sticker for this year, 2021, and there, so you get an idea. You might even. I think the 12 volts on actually. It is on, which means the lights aren't on. Oh well, never mind. Don't worry. But anyway, sort of get an idea. And it's got a floor with these slats on that like that. You can't see that, can you? You can see them now. Most uncomfortable. I'd much rather get a nice Fiat Ducato. But of course, hey, there could be reasons why you mightn't have a drive. You mightn't have underground parking. I used to live in a block of flats in Warsaw, and that had underground parking. And I've never have got a Fiat Ducato in one of them. So, oh, should I film that? So, there we go. Dethleffs Globetrail camper van. And thanks so much for watching. I hope you found that of interest. And I've got lots more of these vehicles on this channel. All the best from Itineo im Allgäu in southern Germany.